This is my first lecture on GS prelims related with the basics. We are starting with concept of universe as over the years questions have been asked from the topic which we describe as universe. So first and foremost we need to define universe. Universe is unbounded space and time, which includes entire matter, energy, and moment. Now we need to explain what is meaning of unbounded. Unbounded means universe is expanding. How it is expanding? It is expanding with departure of galaxies. Means expanding state of universe is described and explained in respect of galaxies, and galaxies are moving away from each other and their movement is accelerating. They are moving away with acceleration, that is known as departure. Means galaxies are not gravitationally bounded together. Now question arises, how this expanding state of universe came into being. Universe originated 13.7 billion years before present through an event known as Big Bang. Now we need to explain Big Bang. Big Bang is primordial explosion in state of universe which was primordial known as singularity. Singularity means entire mass and energy was confined and concentrated. Singularity means in totality. And this event of Big Bang occurred 13.7 billion years before present. And this event of Big Bang is a primordial explosion in the state of universe before the Big Bang, a primordial explosion known as singularity, in which entire mass and energy was confined and concentrated in a point. Now, question has been asked related with what are the evidences of unbounded state of universe. So remember that rate of departure of galaxies is directly proportional to their distance. This is known as Hubble theory. Rate of departure is velocity directly proportional to their distance. So V is equal to H into D. H is here Hubble constant. Hubble theory supported Big Bang and expanding state of universe. So 1 by H is d by v, distance by velocity is time. So Hubble constant is a constant which is not a universal constant used for measurement of age of universe. So 1 by h is indicating age of universe. These are the evidences of expanding state of universe. First is known as presence of redshift. As we know that as we look and observe visible galaxies from our home galaxy, that is Milky Way, so over the period of time the wavelength received by us, received by our telescopes over the period increases, means frequency and energy declines and wavelength is increasing on the red side of spectrum. So that is known as redshift. Had been imploding state of universe, galaxies coming close to each other, so there would have been blue shift. So here is redshift is indicating departure of galaxies away and apart with acceleration, and second is presence of cosmic microwave background that is glow in the universe, that is described as representation of relic radiation coming from most distant horizons of universe. Horizons are produced between the galaxies. So these two are the evidences of expanding state of universe. Remember that expanding state of universe we have to define in respect of galaxies. Expanding state of universe cannot be explained on the basis of movement into solar systems या stars, their planetary systems या satellite या even asteroids. Expanding state of universe is defined in terms of departure of galaxies, distant and apart movement of galaxies in respect of each other. So that is going to be unbounded state of universe, and that can be indicated with a simple diagram. This is the state of singularity. That was before the Big Bang. This is expanding state, yeah, unbounded, and that started 13.7 billion years before present. Thank you.